Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
I always use Americolor Super Black Gel Food Coloring, which I purchase in big bottles from Amazon. When combining this small amount of black gel food coloring with my black cocoa buttercream, the result is amazing. You get a frosting that is a wonderfully deep shade of black, that tastes like Oreos and chocolate. 10 October 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Creating shades of black color with primary colors red, blue and yellow are the three primary colors for what colors make black paint when mixed together. Simply mix equal amounts of red, blue, and yellow together and you will get a nice black. 6 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Gradually add black food color to 1 can of frosting to achieve your desired color, from silver or gray to dark black. Black food color is perfect for creating special treats for Halloween parties and other holidays, or try it as a dye for decorating eggs.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Many people believe that food coloring found in many foods can stain their teeth. The truth is, however, that food coloring is not teeth staining. However, this discoloration is temporary as all you need to do is brush and floss your teeth well to remove the temporary discoloration. 7 August 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The red food coloring is available in the primary color set, which also includes yellow, green and blue. Light shade. 1 cup white buttercream icing plus 10 drops of color. Medium shade. 1 cup white buttercream icing plus 20 drops of color. Dark shade. 1 cup white buttercream icing plus 100 drops of color. The 8th of February 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Put some plain white royal icing into a bowl. Add 2 to 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder per cup of white icing and mix thoroughly. Add in the black gel food color a little at a time until you get a darker gray color. If the icing is too stiff, add in a few drops of water to thin it to the consistency you want. 1 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
For starters, mix 2 parts blue food coloring to 5 parts green and 3 parts red. Stir thoroughly. Then spread a small amount on a white paper towel or mix the black directly into a little water. The color should look black. If not, balance out the colors with more food coloring.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.